Hey, this is Kevin from KS Outdoor Lighting. I wanted to show you how to professionally fix a cut or break in your 12-2 low voltage landscape wire. Always turn off your transformer and unplug it before working on your system. Locate the break in the line, trim and remove the damaged area. Split the 12-2 and remove approximately 3/4 of the jacket and twist the stranded copper. Take one of your 1/2-inch heat shrink sleeves and place it over one of the leads. Do the same for the other lead. Take the lead line coming from the transformer and twist it around the lead of the line going out. Place a copper crimp connector on and use a crimping tool to tighten it down. Do the same thing to the other line. Position the heat shrink sleeve so that it centers up with a connection. Do the same to the other line connection. And use a butane torch and carefully heat up the shrink sleeves so it creates a good seal around both connections. Keep the flame moving until the sleeves are nice and tight. This should give you a good waterproof solid connection. I place links in the description area where you can buy the materials. I hope this helps.